what is fun and full of surprises and makes Sydney really happy? Mystery boxes. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Juvia's Place mystery box for April 2024. Now Juvia's Place is known to put out mystery boxes usually fairly frequently. They don't do it every single month, but they did have one in February, they did have one in March, and now they have had one in April. So it feels like every month currently, but that's not always the case. Now, this mystery box cost me $19 in total for the entire box. That includes taxes and shipping and everything. So if you guys are interested in purchasing your own mystery box, I will post a link down below for you. I have a 30% off discount code that will save you some money off of this box. The only thing that I remember from the listing is that it did say we were gonna get one eyeshadow palette inside of this box. So I'm excited to see which palette it's going to be in here. But let's go ahead and get started and open up this box. Now, if you're not familiar with Juvia's Place, they have a lot of different cosmetics. I do feel like their makeup is fairly affordable. It is sold at, no, not Sephora. I think it's Ulta that I see it at. I'm pretty sure it's Ulta that has it. And every time I look at it, their prices are very affordable for all of their products. And I'm like, dang, I wish some of the other brands were like that. But their mystery boxes are no exception. They also have very affordable mystery boxes as well. This mystery box typically sends the same items in it. So you're more than welcome to buy more than one. But in my experience in the past and based off of what my other subscribers have said, they have ordered multiples and then it's been the same products in every one of them. So I would assume, based off of history, that this box is the exact same box that everyone will receive if you order this mystery box in April. But I could be wrong. It could totally change. If you happen to order this mystery box, let me know down in the comments if we got the same items or not. That way I can try to help out everybody else. But like I said, based off of past experiences, I have a feeling we're all gonna receive the same products. So the palette is right on top on this box and it's called the Garden of Juvias. This is a full-size eyeshadow palette. Honestly, for spring, I think the colors look fantastic. So I'm excited for this. I feel like it's gonna be really bold. So it says richly pigmented shades in eye-catching hues, perfect for day to nighttime fun looks. So I think this is promising. We're gonna open it up, but based off of the packaging, it looks like a spring colorful palette. So this is what it looks like outside of the box, and inside, it is spring and colorful. I just kept thinking, I was like, what if it's not? And then I'm gonna be so disappointed. But this is perfect for spring. Okay, I love this. Now, there are a lot of shimmers in this palette. We do have a few mattes, but there's a lot of shimmers. But I like the columns on here as well, that you've got like your purples, and then you've got your pinks and peaches, greens and blues, and then it fades kind of into a yellow combo. This is so pretty. I definitely get garden vibes. Oh, this is perfect for spring. I love this. Actually, this is one of my more favorite palettes from Juvia's Place. Like, this is a gorgeous palette. I can't wait to try this out. This is really pretty. I feel like this palette already paid for my box because, like I said, I paid $19. That was with shipping and taxes and everything. I would pay $19 for this palette, but luckily there are 2 more items inside of my mystery box today. So the next item that I have is also from the Garden of Juvias. This is their colored liner. We have the shade Aqua. So this is a part of that same collection. I didn't even know about this collection, and now seeing all of this, I'm like, I'm interested. I want to see more. This is our aqua color, which actually, you put this underneath your eyes, you guys. I mean, do you see how bold and vibrant that is? I feel like it's gonna make your eyes really pop, especially if you do the right eye look. I think this could be very successful. So here is what our eyeliner will look like here. And then of course we're gonna pull this out. I wanna take a look at it. It's a liquid formula. And then you do get a brush. It's a little bit messy, but let's see here. Oh, I like it. This is good though. I feel like I can work with that. Again, imagine that. Oh my gosh, even with what I have on today, I feel like I could add in, I don't know where I want to add in green, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like there's potential with this. I like the idea of this one. And you know what else I like about this brush is the brush is stiff, and so it's easier to control. It's still light and feathery at the tip and on the end of it, but it doesn't go all over the place. So it's not like a full-on paintbrush. So I do like that too. So, okay. 2 for 2. I am approving of this box so far. Last item inside of this mystery box is their glass lip gloss. This is called Flower Girl. So I don't think it's a part of the same collection, but I think it's going to go with it in theory. So this brand, if you're not familiar with it, they are cruelty-free. This is vegan as well. And oh, here is our lip gloss. Did not see that coming. So it's got a blue shimmer in there. It's still gonna go down clear with just a touch of shimmer that will have color. So it's not gonna look like this on your lips. But that is really pretty, you guys. Let me take this off and I'll do a swatch real quick to show you. But usually these glosses, you're just gonna see like a tint of color. I do think their formulas are pretty good. I've always been okay with them. So we're going to do a swatch real quick on this lip gloss. Now, it says it's supposed to be a glossy formula. So that is what I'm going to look for. But I'm getting a lot of resistance. Man, it's thick. It also is sticky. I hate to say it, but it really is. It is a sticky, thick lip gloss. But like I said, it goes down clear and you just get that shimmer of blue. So there's just a touch of that color. This one, I don't know. It's not my favorite because it is so thick. So if you like a thick lip gloss, you might like this product. But for me, it's too thick and I don't like it that thick on my lips is the only thing. But I don't think the color is bad at all. I kind of like seeing that blue shimmer. It's kind of fun for something different. I honestly think though, the hero of this is the palette, but I like the liner still. I think there's a lot of potential there. So that is everything inside of the Juvia's Place mystery box. Again, if you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link down below for you along with that 30% off discount code. In theory, this is what you will receive in it. And I feel like the palette alone makes this worth it. And then you get 2 extra bonus items. And if you love both of them, then it's a no-brainer in my opinion. So I think it was good overall. Plus, you know, I just love a good mystery box, so I just have the thrill of ordering these and just trying to figure out what's inside of them. So this also satisfied that need of mine. So comment down below, beautifuls. Let me know what you think of the Juvia's Place mystery box and we can chat all about it. Again, if you ordered one of these, just let me know if we got the same items or not so that we can confirm that. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye!